Do you like this look? Are you feeling it? Yes? No? Like, share, comment, subscribe. Oh, before I forget, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. You know, this is the second time I'm filming this look, this hair tutorial, because the first time I did, the horn blew. Oh my gosh. Before we begin, I need you to do one quick thing. It's free, it's painless, it's effortless. Just hit that subscribe button, and once you're done with that, hit that bell button to be notified whenever I upload. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I decided to do pink nails, pink eyeshadow, pink lips. I looked for an outfit that was pink. Unfortunately, I'm still not a pink person, so I don't have a single outfit that's pink. Quite a number of people requesting for me to do this hair tutorial when I posted a couple of pictures on my Instagram and Facebook. This is the second time I'm filming this look. Unfortunately, the first time I filmed it, it was so dark. It was cloudy. It's actually cloudy now, but not as bad as it was when I filmed it the first time. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm doing it again just for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. God bless. If anyone wants to know, the lashes I'm wearing are my lashes, 3D Make Lashes made by Raj. The code is R001, so hit me up, and we have worldwide delivery available. This is just plain water, nothing else is inside. The gel I'm using is Gorilla Snot. It's very thick. If you want to use another kind of gel, you can, but with this one you just need a little bit. I'm using a full wig for my ponytail. If you don't have a ponytail, just use a wig. Can we talk about my bonnet for a while? This is from Natural Sisters. As you know, or you may not know, my sisters and I, we have a brand called Natural Sisters. We are 6 natural Ghanaian sisters. Do follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Natural Sisters. As you can see, my hair has shrunk, my hair is thick, my hair is condensed. Any word you can use to describe Ghanaian hair, well, my type of Ghanaian hair, 4C hair, this is it. And I didn't even bother stretching my hair because honestly you don't need to stretch your hair for this particular style. So just watch how I do my hair and follow along. You can achieve this exact style. Like I said earlier, this gel you just need a little bit, as you'll see when I do my hair. If you want to purchase it, I have some for sale. Limited stock, so hit me up quick and you can get yourself 1 or 2 or 3. Can you see just how gooey it is? You have to be careful when you're using this gel because you can mess up your outfit. I would advise you to do your hair before you dress up. You can either tie your hair at this point because it's laid down and everything, but honestly you can achieve that look without gel. I have a tutorial on my Instagram TV showing this look with water only. But because I want a more laid down look, I put more gel, and you can see that my hair is already, what's the word? Lay down more. See how I don't have any baby hair? My hair is university hair, so we're not going to try and do any baby hair. We're just going to work with the hairline that I have. So I just parted and tried to create some sort of style. Took out the sides just for the fun of it.